Alright, so we're heading down to Mornington Peninsula to stay at the beach house, and we'll keep left apparently. We're gonna be here for a full week and have some adventures coming back to the city, and we'll keep left apparently. And yeah, so we'll be back here. We're gonna do some fun stuff, collaborations, get to see some friends. Keep left. And we'll keep left apparently. It's early morning and the Pacific Dawn is docking back in Brisbane. Wait, if I'm on the ship, how did I get this shot? So my buddy Gareth got up early and captured this footage for me. And you should check out his Instagram. But yeah, we woke up several hours later to get off the ship.
Okay, bye.
We're off the ship, getting picked up by Jan, and this is when the real adventure begins.
Sorry,
Yeah. Back there, Emma's struggling to breathe. We are heading to the airport.
Thanks. See you later.
And we're flying to Melbourne. We had a great time in the Pacific Dawn, so thanks for having us.
Yeah,
Where are we going now?
we're going home. We're going to our house.
Our house.
Our house.
In the middle. Jess's wife, Nina, she's turning 50, and so we're having a party here, and I'm playing at it. Emma's gonna do some hoops.
Is Emma doing hoops? Doesn't that mean she's playing basketball?
Yeah. Slam dunk contest. So we have our car down here, and you're probably wondering how in the world did we have our car down here? Well, check this part out. So Glenn Starr, a good friend of ours, he offered to drive the car down from Brisbane to Melbourne, so now we can have it and drive it back up. We have a car. We're gonna do some fun stuff here. Great Ocean Road, Wilson's Prom. I don't know. All set up for the party. Gotta go change, maybe shower. Kind of living out of a suitcase right now. Hopefully the next couple of weeks we'll be around here and we can get a cool hotel or something. So let me know, what should we do in Melbourne that's fun? I wanna know. It's turning out to be a great party. So I'm gonna put the camera down and have some fun.
It's the next day. I'm half asleep. Come on.
Yes.
Give me a break. It's been a hard day.
Did you have a good birthday?
I did. I had a great birthday. And I'm 50 now.
She's 50!
50 now.
Zoom in.
Excuse me.
So anyways, we're gonna go down to their beach house in Mornington. And that's gonna be, that's how it works. It's gonna be good. I'm excited. Em, are you coming?
So yeah, you can stay if you want.
Bye.
Take care.
Melbin. Melbin. I'll be back exploring the city soon, but for now, we're heading into the sleepy little beach town to just get away and relax. So we're here on Mornington and Safety Beach. It's beautiful out here. It's so nice. We are on the go so much that really, if we have a week to just do nothing, that's like a vacation to us. Like going to Kmart. Yay, Kmart! Sitting on a deck, playing guitar. It was a great time on the Dawn. We had a blast, and we're looking forward to the next ship, which is the Pacific Jewel in 1 week. We're just gonna take this week and relax, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching my adventures. I make these videos for you guys, so I hope you enjoy.
It's the next day.
That was really like Sex in the City.
What?
And there's more videos coming out all the time, so make sure you're subscribed to this channel. If you click that little bell next to it, you'll get notified when I upload a video. And watch this video for some deja vu.